In this video, we're going to show you how to use advanced angle mate in SolidWorks, specifically at assembled parts. So we start by importing our part to assembly. We have these kind of bodies here. So you can see they are this shaped, and you can move them anywhere in the working sheet, except when they are fixed. You can change that by right clicking and then just selecting float instead of fix, and now you can move the body however you like on the working sheet. Now I'm going to show you how to make a fixed, for example, a fixed body in assembled parts. So you just click the part with a right click, and then you just select fixed, and then you have the information shown that the body cannot be moved. So now I'm just going to make it float, and now the body can move. Now what I'm going to do is apply the mate command, and I'm going to make these two parts in the beginning. So as you can see, they are somehow connected. Now I'm going to make the outer parts, the edges. So we have these kind of assembled bodies. So I'm going to make the body that is on the bottom part, I'm going to make it fixed, and I'm going to let the other part float. And now I'm going to apply advanced mate, specifically the angle mate. So you have the option there, and you can specify the angle, whatever angle you like. You can specify the minimum and the maximum. So the first part here is the maximum, and the second is the minimum of rotation. You can also see that you can change the alignment and whatever you like. So I'm just going to change the degrees. So you have the minimum value and the maximum value, and according to that you can make your assembled bodies move or whatever you like. So now I specified a 180 degrees angle, so as you can see, it only can move for 180 degrees. So the minimum was 0 and the maximum was 180. So now you can change it however you like. For example, let's make our maximum 90 degrees. And you cannot move the upper part more than 90 degrees. So this is the use of the angle advanced mate.